I think it's even better than before, you know?
So we're on our way to the pot dispensary in North Adams. Not for me, of course, for Dode, who's a pothead.
It's a speed
But the idea...
speed control here with radar.
We could
Just
get a
in
ticket
case.
on camera.
Yeah, well, I don't think your Tesla would let that happen, but
So there's something irresistible about getting high from seltzer and chocolate. Not for me, of course, but for Dode. It's a pretty ride, though, huh?
oh, it's been gorgeous. And it is the old, like the white elaborate churches,
Yeah.
the classic New England. So many things are not classic anymore. They're just...
So we should find a Desmond Avenue, Dode. Is that here, maybe? No, that's a
It looks
house.
a little short. Oh, yes.
Yeah, we are.
I feel like we're going to go to a speakeasy.
Yeah. And I guess we're heading out to a state road, so maybe we just came at it from a different...
This is so pretty.
Isn't it?
Wave to the skeleton. He's a freak. He frequents there. He's a habitué of
If you're gonna be
clear sky.
If you're gonna be a skeleton, at least you can be a friendly one,
That's a
huh?
laundromat.
So 300 feet is clear sky. It looks like it's that side. 100 feet. Thinking.
Oh, this does feel like a speakeasy.
Yeah, this. Thinking that wasn't it. And just beyond here. You hear the little whir it makes when you back up or something, so I don't know, but it's gotta be right.
The trailhead. And on the left, huh?
Well, I don't know, dude.
I'd more say it's on the right.
Look for high people.
Okay.
Look for people like this.
Okay.
North Adams is not big, so we know we're close.
Get the person on the...
Yeah. All right, Greylock Bowl and Golf. You know, people get high, and what do they
Sure.
want to do?
Go bowling and then go to Dunkin' Donuts.
That's right.
Cafe, we went to Best Restaurant. Well, we're up there. Just go by. The one in Lee, you have to wait outside and kind of snake your way in.
Yeah.
This looks like it's been put up to protect the customers. No, lobster rolls, which are good too, you know.
So let me see here. Navigate. Clear sky cannabis, and that'll give us another. One minute, 0.2 of a mile. So let's get rid of this guy.
So this is where we are now.
That's where we
And where do they
are.
want us to go?
I think back out to the state road and then back, almost to where we turned the first time.
Maybe.
Maybe. You'll help me. And
The lobster rolls there.
what was that? Is that you?
I don't think so. Well, maybe I got a news headline.
So 1/10 of a mile, Dode, and I think it's on that
certainly in
side.
the commercial district.
Yeah,
Touch-free car wash. Love the break.
300 feet, clear sky.
How did we go by that?
I was looking on the other side.
Well, and there was the car wash was a bigger sign. Dan, is it open? Oh,
It's
yes.
supposed to be open till 8 this
Okay.
evening, I think. So let's go crack the code, Dode. I'm going to bring my camera, but I suspect they will not allow it.
Okay, I would agree with your suspicion. Oh, and I think
Oh, they have cards. What?
You can just give it a push, yeah?
Oh, push.
Well, the one in Leeds, you really can go through the shelves and see the product.
It's quite the screen, Dode, huh?
It's really quite different from the other one. You go in and you know all the stuff, and they have people run over and show you how to use it and everything. Quite different.
Look at Dode.
Oh.
Weed Mom. Women's Guide to Healthier Relaxation, Happier Parenting.
Yeah. And see what your answer.
Oh, yes, that's nice.
But I think that's the area you were talking about over there. They seem to be oh,
No, where do we go?
You have to make decisions, but I think this is where we start.
Is there any prohibition on filming in here?
Oh, it's all good. I've got some.
Thanks.
He's a vlogger.
Sometimes we have one low one.
So was it, I mean, first year ID.
Oh.
Oh, again. And the question I have is, do you have CBD cells?
Don't. We just have the THC.
Okay. No, fine. I'll pass.
Just so you guys know, we can't record it here.
That's what I wanted.
That's what I wasn't sure. Yeah, we
Thank you.
Thank you.
Forget the hair color.
Now look what Dode went and did. She's got a whole box full of stuff. Cannabis infused seltzer. What'll they think of next?
So we apologize for anything we said that may have been unclear on these points.
So after getting our pot supplies, we're in nearby Williamstown, heading for Tunnel City Coffee.
Thank you.
Show in town.
Dode's got the munchies already.
Okay.
Very good choices. Very nice. What's that one called?
Raspberry chocolate delight.
All the
food groups.
all the basic food groups. The Clark.
The picture. The Day of the Dead?
I don't know. So where did we see the skeleton that was waving to us? Was that back in North?
Back at the town.
North Adams.
North Adams.
Yeah.
What makes it hard to have?
And I don't use most of the film anyway. It's good, and this is pretty, whatever this is.
Yeah.
Theater festival. You got Dan Hayes in there.
Oh my god. Since I've been dating her, it's been insane. I've seen so many photos.
Hey man, am I driving okay?
I think we're parked, man.
Wave, Dode.